I heard that you want to start selling digital products in 2024 to make a passive income. Listen up because I'm going to teach you how. Pillar.io has literally never made this easier. We are a digital storefront. They look like this, but they are customizable, and we can also create digital products for you, which is a huge plus. I know so many of us creators are so busy in our day-to-day or do not know what to make as a digital product, but always have wanted to create one. For example, I'm a content creator who shares social media tips and tricks for micro-influencers and how to grow on different social media platforms. So these are the digital products that were created. I have my lead magnet, which is a free email template, and then I also have 160 plus beauty brand PR emails. What is really great about these products is that it's an actual human creating these products. So they look at your page, they look at your niche, they look at your audience, and create a product that is tailored exactly to what you need and what will sell. So if you've always wanted to create digital products but have no idea how to start and have been a little lost, this is for you. Or if you're just hearing about this today and want to make passive income, this is also for you. Go to the link in our bio, sign up for the 14-day free trial, and you'll start making passive income today.